Okay, there was this man. He told me that the weather is rainy out. So I said, okay then, I'll say it on my news report. And the weather is warm, I say. The man lied. He deserves to get spiked in the head with this dinosaur right here. People, this is what the rain's gonna look like. Nothing, it's all sunny, except for you don't see the sun on this. But it's gonna be sunny, I say. Sunny. Look at this. Dinosaur. This is the man. Because he sees me on TV right now. He knows what I'm saying about him. He sees me. That's his face. And so does Yes. Yeah. He lied to me. Can you believe this? It's this sunny out. Nothing to see here. No rain at all. Yeah, sunny out. Don't look out.